Hey guys, I'm Shaizor from Techno Unboxing, and today we're gonna be doing the water test of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 8 2 Gen processor running on a latest Android version 13 with the One UI version 5.1 on top of it. This is a 12GB of RAM with 512GB of storage. On the back we have a 4 camera setup, and this is a green color. The phone is fully working. Now let's put this phone in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And the phone is not responding to the touches in the water. Let's flip this phone. Here I can see some air bubbles near the camera. Now let's flip it back again, and the phone is still on. Still not responding to the touches in the water. And now it's about to complete 1 minute. Okay, so now let's stop the timer and take the phone out. And we can see the water on the camera. Okay, so now let's clean the phone and let's see if everything is working. Starting off with the fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner is fully working. It's unlocking the phone as soon as I put my finger on it. And also the phone is now very responsive to the touch. Taking a look at the camera looks good, and the water didn't went inside the camera lens. And also the selfie camera looks good. There's little water in the charging port. Taking out the S Pen is also working. But as you can see, the water went inside the S Pen as there is no protection in the S Pen to prevent the water from going inside. Opening up the camera, and let's take a photo. It still takes photos with good details and contrast. Now let's check the speakers. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing the durability test of this Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So before we get started, the speakers is also working. It's loud and clear. And also the charging port is working, and the phone is getting charged. The volume rockers and power button is also working. So yeah, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has survived the water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.